Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to identify exactly which apps are devouring your disk space using the latest 2026 Windows 11 storage interface. Instead of guessing which games or tools to delete, Windows provides a precise, sorted list that helps you clear gigabytes of clutter in just a few clicks. First, click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, ensure you are on the System tab. Scroll down and click on Storage. At the top, you'll see a colorful bar chart showing your drive usage. Below this, click on the category labeled Installed Apps. This will open a dedicated menu showing every app on your PC. Look for the Sort by dropdown menu. It's usually set to Name by default. Click it and change it to Size. Windows will now reorder the list, placing the largest applications at the very top. If an app is taking up too much space, click the three dots next to its size and select Uninstall. And that's it. Your drive is now organized and your biggest space wasters are revealed. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.